Well, there he goes, Stars. That's that mid-wicket area. It's a chance for Afridi. Is he going to get there? He does! Unbelievable, Shahid Afridi.
This kid goes about his stuff. You can tell he's got that bit of fire, fast bowler mentality. Chipped, will it get to extra cover? Yes, it does! Brilliant from Boom Boom! Great catch to Afridi. It just hung in the air long enough for him to make his ground first on foot and then in the air. In the end, I think he got two hands on it. Full delivery from Amir, and looked like it was right off the bottom of the bat. Here goes Afridi, away to his right, yep, two hands, and he celebrates accordingly. Here I am.
That's gone. It's high up in the air. Will this be taken? And taken with one hand. He's got it. It's got to be one of the most sensational catches of the season. It's run on Naweed with a breathtaking effort. He's hurt himself in the process. But this is something outstanding. Something side of the ball. It's a one-handed beauty. Yes, it stayed in there for a very long while. And so Rana Naweed got underneath it. He did pick it up and did have a big bang, hitting his head on the ground. He's done a wonderful, it's an outstanding effort, this. Ball sailed over his head.
Oh, it's up in the air. There's a fielder getting under it. There's another coming from behind. Will they clash? They do. But they still retain the ball. There is a terrible collision. But Pakistan have got their man. This is a tremendous catch. Absolutely stunning from Tawfiq Umar. But there was a collision. No one called. And it really was a terrific effort in the end. And there I think it's Bazid Khan who's been hit quite badly by that jolt. Gone for 14, 212 for 5.
तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो यहाँ तक थी। मुझे उम्मीद है आप इस वीडियो को पसंद करेंगे। अगर आपको इस वीडियो से थोड़ी सी भी मालूमात मिली हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। ऐसी मजीद और दिलचस्प वीडियोस देखने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन के साथ बेल आइकॉन को भी क्लिक कर दें ताकि आपको रोजाना वीडियो मिल सके। कल मिलते हैं एक और न्यू वीडियो के साथ। तब तक अपना और अपनी फैमिली का बहुत ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज।